Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a planner for you to sell on Amazon KDP. Now with that being said, let's head into it. Now open up your computer browser and go to www.canva.com. That is of course the Canva website. Now as you can see right here, I am using the free version of Canva, so it is accessible to everyone, but you have the option to choose whether you want to use the pro version or the free version. So I'm gonna choose the free version for now because I want to show you guys that we can actually make something out of the free version. Now first things first is go to search your content for us to have some templates. So under search your content, click search for planner. And as you can see right here, we have a bunch of different planners we can actually choose from. Now if you want to choose this one, you can actually select on that. So as you can see, this is a very nice planner. So if you want to customize that planner, just click on customize this template. And you can make this template as your own. You can delete this one, you can edit right here, you can delete the background, and so on and so forth. So it's up to you whether you want to choose a template. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make a planner from scratch. Now as you can see under planner right here, just select create a blank planner, and it will lead you to a blank canvas right about here. So first things first, I want to do is to choose a background. So I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to search for background right here. And I'm gonna choose a background for our planner. So I'm gonna choose this background, and I'm gonna right click on this photo, and I'm gonna set image as background. And now once we are done, I'm gonna add a little bit of title right here that says weekly planner. So all I gotta do is go to text and go to add a heading. So I'm just gonna type weekly planner. And I will want to change the font style, so I'm just gonna go to this font style option right here, or font style menu, and I'm gonna select a font style that I like. So let's try this one. There you have it. And I will drag this one at the top, and if you want to change the color, just go to text color. So I'm gonna change this color to, let's try this one, or let's stick with the black because it is visible to look at. And next is if you want to change the font size, just go to this one right here. Perfect. So next is I want to put a little bit of line right here under the weekly planner so that it will be underlined. So I'm gonna go to elements, and I'm gonna search for lines. And let's try this broken line right here. So I'm gonna drag this one so that it will be very long right about there, and I think that's perfect. So next is a weekly planner consists of numbers, or the days of the week rather. So I want to add a tiny boxes right here. So all I want to do is go to elements again. I'm gonna go to let's just select lines and shapes right here. So I'm gonna select a particular line, or a particular shape rather, than I want. So I'm just gonna select this one right here. This is a square with a round edges, so I'm just gonna select that one, and I'm gonna, let's just make this a little bit smaller right about there. So once I've done that, I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna right click and copy it, and all I want to do is to paste right there. So this is for Monday, Tuesday, this is for Wednesday, this is for Thursday, this is for Friday, and last is for Saturday. There you have it. So next is I want to add we have forgotten Sunday. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and let's add Sunday. There you have it. So next is if you want to add some text to your days of the week, all you have to do is go to text right here and just simply select edit text box. So I'm just gonna select Monday right about there. You can actually click the plus icon right here to increase the font size. So drag that one right there, Next, I'm gonna copy this one about there. So we'll just select that one into the boxes, and don't worry, I will be editing the days of the week that says Monday on any part of the day. So I'm just gonna select this one so that it will be very easy for me to edit. There you have it. So next is Tuesday. Of course, next is Wednesday. Next is Thursday. Next is Friday. Next is Saturday, and lastly it is Sunday. So there you have it. We have now make a weekly planner, and now I want to add a, let's just say, some note box right here. So let's just copy this one again about there. So, or we can add a paper element to it. So I'm just gonna go to elements again and search for paper. There you we can choose this one right here. That's about it. Or we can just actually do this. So let's edit this one right there, and lastly is that one right there. Next is I want to edit the title of the day, or the days of the week rather, so that I can give space to this one right here. There you have it. So we can add this one right here. This is for our notes, and next is I want to add again. So I'm just gonna flip this one right here, flip horizontally right about there. So next is I want to add a note right here that says reminder or notes. So I'm just gonna go to add text box, and I'm gonna select add a subheading. I'm gonna select notes. So I'm just gonna drag this one right here that says notes right there. So next is this is the reminders right about here. Just gonna copy this one again and right about there. I'm just gonna decrease the font size, and there you have it. So if you are basically done with creating your weekly planner, all you have to do is to export this one and download, and make sure that your file type is PDF standard. Amazon KDP currently doesn't recognizes any file type except PDF standard. So make sure that your file type is PDF standard so that Amazon KDP will recognize it, so that we won't have any problems when we upload our planner or our file. So with that being said, that's it for this video. And if you have some questions, some comments, or even some suggestions, just feel free to comment it down on the comment section below. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!